Okay guys, here we are. We have received two packages. This is for two packages. I don't know why. Well, they told me. The one is the battery and the other one is the wheel. Well, the rim. I hope with an engine. At least the right one. What I did is that in the end I got a good bargain, so it was something. I won't tell you the price though. This is gonna see at the end. I will give probably a link in the description to know. Look how beautiful I am this morning. Not only this morning, but anyway, I will leave a link in the description so maybe you can check it out. I won't tell you the price in this video though. Let's leave it for the end. Will I make it under 555 euros? Who knows? So they told me that I would have gotten two separate packages. Well, I guess this is gonna be the battery. This is gonna be the wheel. Let's see. I've already. So let's see what we have inside. Let me bring you with me, guys. Okay. So what do we have here? User manual in English. Battery has no output. Yeah. Then we got two spacers. Two spacers, probably for the frame. I guess for tubular frames or something like that. And two fuses. I don't know what they're for. Anyway, always good to see them. Keys. Nice keys. Then we got a nice package. Let's see what's in the package. This is the charger with European plug. Nice, thank you. I thought I would get the US one, but anyway, thank you. And here we have the BBB, the big black battery. I won't be able to take it out without one hand, so stay there. And here it is. Ooh, big one. Let me get closer. So you see, this is where it should fit to the frame. Hopefully, we have a nice. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a nice Come on, focus. USB output. Key. We have something like. Okay. So this is to switch it on. At this point, this should work. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there is my finger, but yes. Pressing this, you see more or less how charged is the battery. Plug. And some nasty, I don't know, caution. Risk of fire or explosion. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to know. All right. Let's. Okay, that's for the charger, I suppose. I was looking at it before. It says push, but you don't have to push actually. You have to pull it. I don't know why they're stupid. Anyway. It says push, but you have to pull. Anyway, let's see if the here the I don't know, the rail works. So we should open this before. At least I saw that. The other way around. Ah, nice. Look at this. You see, there is this metal pin coming in and out, in and out. It reminds me something. Anyway. At this point, this should slide somewhere. Oh, Jesus, that was fast. Okay, and it comes out. Yes. Ah, you see, there is that the 2 pins. No, actually, they are 2 big and 3 small. Don't know if you can see it. Yes, now you see it. And the same on this side. It's quite heavy. We will do a weight test. All right. And this was the small package. Let's look at the big one. Nice one. Okay, for the other one, I cheated a little bit because I already opened the tape beforehand. But for this, it's gonna be live with you guys. So I don't even know where to start. Is this upside down? Does it contain something or is just an empty box? We will find out soon. Come on. They've used a lot of tape, really. It must be very cheap in China, or where it's coming from. This is coming from EVAT Master Consulting GmbH, Frankfurt am Main, Germany. It says it's coming from Germany, but there is also a big, I don't know if you can see it, a big here, made in China. Anyway, okay, so at least we know where it was made. We don't know why it was in Germany, and maybe we don't want to know, but it's opening, at least it's opening. First good result of the day after I went to the toilet. Okay. Haha, there is something inside. There is something inside. Come with me, come with me, come with me. Okay, so we changed to this point of view. Don't misunderstand, guys. This is another point of view, not the one you are used to. So, what do we got here? Random stuff. Oh. This should be the controller bag. I see a lot of cables, really. Some are already plugged in, don't know why. They don't look very water resistant though. He told me that this is not really water resistant. It could actually resist some rain, but I don't expect it to be resistant to the Dutch weather. Anyway, let's see if we got the right one. 3648 volt, 10 amp, brake input, low level. What does it mean? I don't know. Speed set, maximum current 20 amp. Yeah, it should be, yeah, okay. Should be the right one because I was supposed to get a KT36. Okay, this is I don't know. How do you call the handle cover? One day I'm gonna know. What is that? What is that? Throttle? Yeah, this should be the half throttle. Ah, okay, maybe. Yeah, wait, let me open it. So yes, as expected, this was the brake lever with the sensor to stop the engine from going wild. I don't know, maybe to activate also this controller as a kind of brake regeneration something. I don't really expect it to work, but anyway, yeah, this is the other one. Then we got the half throttle stuff. Sorry. Should work. I mean, at least it looks so. I have to admit the brake levers, even if they have this Buxing brand, which I don't really know, they say 2023 6. They look new indeed. I'm quite surprised. I'm really not sure about those cables. They look all very, I don't know, not very well protected. I have to admit. Anyway, let's get rid of this stuff. Let's put it somewhere else without breaking anything already. Okay. What is that? I don't know. Maybe we get a manual or some instructions. Yeah, that would be nice. Anyway, let's go for the big one. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! No way. I think I have to beep that. Goodbye. Oh, we have the pass, I don't know, pedal assist system or I don't know. Yeah, this should fit on your pedals, hopefully, who knows. And what is that? Some tools probably. At least they sound like some tools. Ah, yeah. This is the controller or the cling. This is the LCD screen. Doesn't look that bad. I hope it's gonna last in the rain. That's it. That is my biggest concern here. Anyway, let's put that aside for a moment because it's time to see the big one, the big brother here. And this is it's quite heavy. Come on. Is it heavy or is it stuck? Okay, not that heavy, but yeah, definitely heavier than normal rim. Ooh, nice rim tape. Ooh, and it's not even like the cheap plastic you usually buy. It looks like softer or I don't know. It feels like moquette for rims. Anyway, let's see if I can get rid of this with one hand. Not really. And here it is. Guys, it looks good. It looks good. Look at this detail here, the CSC logo. It's just, I think it's a sticker, though it looks good. The rim looks good. So you see it's double color, probably because this has to fit both for rim brakes and disc brakes. But anyway, I like the color. I like the fact that the, do you call those? Spokes. The spokes are painted in black. They really, I'm sorry for the mess behind that. I'm in my kitchen, filming in my kitchen, you know. I'm a poor guy, so I have to do those stuff. I hope you won't see anything. There is no drugs there. It's okay. So, guys, I have to admit, this looks good. Let's compare it to the... I will compare it to the front of my bicycle just to see if it's the same size. Yep, there you go. At first sight, they look similar, at least. Okay, I think the unboxing is done. Now it's time, it's really time to work.